Hi, I'm Austin, and it's my birthday. And for my birthday, I'm going to make one of my favorite desserts. It's a frozen caramel coffee custard with a chocolate coating and candied peanuts. It has all my favorite dessert flavors all combined into one, and I think you'll like it too. So, let's begin. Let's start with a frozen caramel coffee custard. Combine 450 grams cream with 6 grams instant coffee and 4 grams salt. Whisk this and bring to the boil. Once boiling, cover and set aside for later. Next, in a medium saucepan, add 100 grams sugar and melt over medium heat to a dark caramel. Once done, temper the caramel with a hot cream mixture. Lastly, temper 6 egg yolks with the caramel coffee cream. I do this in the container that I plan to portion the caramel with. Take care not to introduce air bubbles into the custard by mixing with a spatula and by pouring close to the serving dish. You can serve these in any shallow container, so get creative. Carefully place the custards in a large baking dish and carefully add boiling water. You want it to come up just about halfway. Now bake them at 325 Fahrenheit, 163 Celsius until they jiggle slightly when you shake them. After about 15 minutes, pull them from the pan, cover them, and freeze them overnight in your freezer. Now let's make the candied peanuts. To a pan, add 100 grams peanuts, 45 grams sugar, and 20 grams water. Mix this and bring to a boil. I like to use peanuts with the skin on. They have a superior texture. Unlike when making wet caramel, you want to constantly stir this mixture to encourage as much crystallization as possible. Stirring also ensures that each nut is coated in the sugar syrup. Once the sugar crystallizes, keep stirring over medium heat until the sugar begins to caramelize. Once caramelized, add a pinch of salt and add the nuts to a silicone baking sheet. Once the peanuts cool, they will become crispy and absolutely delicious. These peanuts are my favorite snack. Now once the custards are cold, melt some chocolate however you see fit and cover the tops with a layer of chocolate. Try and make it on the thinner side. If you like sweeter desserts, use milk chocolate. If you like it more complex, use dark. Also, if you have a damaged custard like this, the chocolate will fill in the gaps and it won't matter when we plate. At this point, the custards can be covered and stored in your freezer for at least a week. Once ready to eat, you only need to prepare one other garnish, and that's the toasted coconut. In a pan, toast the coconut flakes over medium heat until golden. Now that we have all the garnishes in place, let's plate. First, let's add our coconut. Make sure to cover up all the chocolate shell. Next, let's add the candied peanuts, with the thought that you want a nut in each bite. If this was any regular day, I would stop here, but since it's my birthday, let's add some chocolate curls. This looks great. The custard should be eaten right away for the best texture. The custard is salty, rich, bitter, and sweet. Very simple, and also very satisfying. So it makes it one of the best desserts. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and that you go out and make this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.